In this video, I will show you how to factory reset your Epson EcoTank ET-2803 in case you're having issues or maybe you just want to start fresh, so everything will get deleted. Once you're on the main menu, you can press the home button to get to the main menu. You're going to use the right side arrow to navigate until you highlight settings, then press OK. Again, using the right side arrow, you're going to press on it a few times until you get to the option that is called Restore Default Settings. Press OK. We have different sorts of resets, including network, which means that only the Wi-Fi will be resetted. But if you want to factory reset, you're going to click again the right side arrow until you get to clear all data and settings. Press OK. It will tell you restore all settings, including network to default. Of course, this is what we want. Therefore, I'll press OK. Setting restored, restart the printer. So at this point, we need to restart the printer. I'll press the power button. I'll select yes. It will turn it off. Wait a few seconds until the display is completely black. Okay, it is black now. I'll press again the power button, and once the printer powers on, it will be completely factory resetted. Here we go. Now you can start fresh by selecting your language and going through all the different screens. Thanks for watching. I hope my video was helpful. If so, leave a like, comment down below, tell me if it worked or if I can improve the way I'm explaining things. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.